Videos are for educational purposes only.
Say I need you in my life for me to stay. No,
First, we're going to size our nails so they fit perfectly.
don't go away. Hey, now you got my heartbeat, knowing you know how hard it is. Dealing with the pain that it did on my hand. She can never be that I am, but as long as you need that shit is gonna be yours.
Using your nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips. Make sure all the kids is yours. Even though still won't stand and do shit now. Now, shape and buff the fake nails while removing the shine.
Midnight, you come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive, been in burning flames or paradise. Thinking of you, oh, it's been a while since I have even heard from you. And I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where to leave the lie. Watch us go round and round each time. You got that dream, daydream look in your eye, and I got that bad and that classic thing that you like, and we go crashing down. We come back every time, we never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that dream, daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and we go crashing down. We come back every time, we never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt, and we go crashing down. We come back every time, we never go out of style. We never go out of style. Take me up, just take me up, yeah, just take me up. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and we go crashing down. We come back every time, we never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and we go crashing down.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
White t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a tight little skirt, and we go crashing down. We come back every time, we never go out of style. We never go out of style.
Now grab an alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet, and I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo,
This is going to be the gel polish that we're gonna be using today.
all there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince, and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yeah.
Apply a thin layer of gel polish.
So I sneak out to the garden to see you. Keep quiet, 'cause we're dead if you knew. So close your eyes. Escape this town for a little while. You were Romeo, I was a scarlet letter, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. And I said,
Cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp. Cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using a UV nail lamp.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been alright for me. Kingdoms have fallen, angels become
Apply a second layer of gel polish.
could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a breath inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, oh yeah, baby. Who would have thought I'd get you?
I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days for you.
Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
It's all just memories.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just tell you up and I take you round. Got someone. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody just tell you up and I take. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? answer me, and I would never ask you. I just kept it to myself. I don't wanna know if you're playing me. Keep it on the low, 'cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you creep it, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know. Oh baby, I don't wanna.
The gel top coat that I'm going to be using today is from iGel Beauty, which is one of my favorite nail brands. Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat.
I don't wanna know. Oh baby, I don't wanna. Oh baby, I don't wanna. I don't wanna know if you're playing me. Keep it on the low, 'cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you creep it, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know. It's not your bad, it's not your bad. It's not your fault. All those things that you used to tell me. If you're better off that, better off that.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. The natural prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks.
Oh baby, I don't wanna know.
Carolina blue kicks, hottest nigga on the block. Used to Willie bicycle since I was 6. High school, the crossover, waved away pics. Music biz, the same shit, gave away hits. So my get it together, forget it forever. When I go at you hard, I can get it through leather. You act like Jigga can, get it whoever. Talking, you got a man. Okay, my and that's high school, making me chase you around for months. Having a fear, act like an adult for once. Plus my hand is up your skirt, goddamn you flirt. What's a little me on top gon' hurt? Maybe a little, but pain is pleasure and pressure bust pipes. And you look like the I like it rough tight. We can crush the night, tell me what you like. I got a yellow bottle on a bucket of ice, get right.
You know I wanna see how you put that thing on me.